Oh, what's up? Good morning. Worked out this morning. I feel good. I feel great. Let's go. Okay, so first things first. News here. 4:45 coming in hot. Minor, very low impact. Take a photo of that. Put that there. Close this. Close this. Let's get trading view up. Do want to go over a few things with you. Day trader. Let's get that day trader chart going. I'm looking at the 2-minute on MNQ and it looks good. A couple minutes away from the first 15 minutes being set. Let's clear the drawings. Looks bullish. Might take one here. Right off the bat. Yes. Yes. What's going on? Please log out of the broker in another tab. Dude, I'm not in another tab. Man, TraderView's been wonky. It's been wonky. What we at? MES, MNQ. MES. Short. 1. All right. We'll fix that after the fact. But let's see. Where's my tools now? Here we go. So I'm like in this right here. Target to the bottom of the range, but let's see what any orders are going. This is a mid-range trade off of MES. So let me put MES here. All right. She going. Yeah, more orders up above than below. Same with MNQ, but it's kind of all over the place right now. Huge block orders below us, 798 on MNQ. But we have huge block orders above us on MES, around 690. And yeah, that's about around the top of range. I do want to show you guys this. Trade. We have the newsletter here. So Net Alpha. Here you could click on that link to join Net Alpha. Happy 2026. If you're not part of our newsletter, just shoot us your email in the comments or DM us on Instagram. If you're interested in it. We have Net Alpha. It's a free trial. If you click there, this is what you'll get or what's included. London sessions, what we're doing right now. Glenn does go on London session. Just depends. Usually 8 to 9 is when he's on. Also, we have TradeZilla, and you know how important that is. If you were on the live stream or you watch the live stream, you know that you've kind of seen it basically. I've went over it here. But this is what I wanted to really talk to you guys about is coffee and charts. So coffee and charts, we're going to hold it on February 14th at 9 a.m. at Try Coffee. It's in Ala Moana, second floor of it's co-working space essentially, but decent coffee, big enough room. But yeah, come hang out and we'll talk charts. We'll talk trading, talk about life. So yeah, just making sure you guys are seeing that. All right. That's the email. This is the net alpha. What you'll see here, so much value there. Um, and if there's something that you guys want to see, let me know. There'll be more videos. I'm going to be breaking down every individual trade that I take. Like as far as the strategy goes, that's going to be in net alpha. But if you watch these live streams, essentially you're getting it for free. All right. Well, why do I? Let me see. That's why it says cannot open in. Oh, hold on. Excuse me. That's the concurrent session. All right, so we're minus $30 here. This is a mid-range trade. I mean, Q. Let's see. Apple. I mean, Mag 7's bullish. Yesterday's view up. Today's view up. So maybe I don't want to be long. Short. I want to be long. There we go. That'll work. We'll go long MNQ. One order. Market. Whoa. Buy. Okay, cool. That's a really bad. Missed this entry just now. MES. If this closes in 2 minutes, we'll give it 2-minute breather. MES is bullish. MNQ is bullish. Yeah, orders below us got taken out. I'm gonna flip my position here. So I'm gonna write that. We go. This is actually a mid-range trade. After I just added one more contract. Yesterday's view up and today's view up. All right. Be nice to get a pullback on MNQ. I don't know what the heck happened on that. It like took me in and took me out right away. I would like to get in here, something like this. Go let that. Bam. Give me a good entry MNQ. MES. There we go. We got triggered in MNQ. Still bullish, yeah. So we got lots of bullish momentum here, buy orders coming in heavily. So we'll just sit, wait, be patient. Yeah. Do we get a choppy last day of the week? Nice. Nice 2-minute close right above it. Yee, that's it. That's what I like to see. How's the 5-minute? 15-minute? Ooh, 15 minutes kind of ugly. Yeah, it's very choppy. What's this? Since yesterday morning. Yeah, it's kind of in this range, this ugly range here. Could come back down to these levels. So initial entry short is working out. Call that flip bias mid right there. How's that 2-minute? 2 minutes is kind of bearish, but look at these long wicks like that. More importantly, what I like right now is bookmap. Bookmap is bullish. I mean, yeah, plenty bull orders above us. But again, it doesn't have to. It could go down here, hit these levels, then continue on. Likewise, all these orders could just be pulled off right away. So this looks like it's one entity here trying to bring it up. So once, look, more than half is all these orders here. More than half of these orders are one entity or one institution. We know that because of this white line here. That once that institution pulls this, who knows where it goes. But what's better is this level, 26,000. This 26,000 level here, pretty bullish. Because there's many orders here. It's more orders than this one. And it's not just one entity. So it does look bullish. But it doesn't have to go when we want it to go. It'll go when it wants to go. So 20. This is the real around here is like it's really this is where the orders are. But I'm happy to take profit excuse me at these levels here. All right, so initial bias here. We'll clone this and reverse it. Flip it and reverse it. Missy Elliott. If you guys know, you know. It's a song. Just FYI, it's a song, everyone. Okay. So we got MES mid. Oh, first it was short. It's too long. Oh, vertical line. That's funny. And then we got MEQ mid. Yeah. Quite choppy morning. We'll see what price wants to do though. So it's a good 1 minute close, but if you go to the 2 minute, 2 minutes still looks bearish. Not too bullish right now. I mean, as far as the cumulative volume data. Looks like it just wants to go down. Let's see what happens around this level. Do we get taken out? Okay. Maybe. There will be more opportunities. Strong bearish momentum now. Goes to show that my initial thought worked out. Yeah. All right. So we're going to close MES here. Close MNQ. MNQ still holding. So now that MES is closed, what I'll look at is a back into range play. So this trade would have worked out. So where, discipline, back testing, and following your edge is important. Because I didn't do that. I didn't trust my edge to play out this mid-range. Mid-range has like 70%. Now I just dropped that because I took this trade. Alright, so it'd be nice if MES has that pull. See, all the buy orders got taken out once and like there was no catalyst. Well, let's see if there was a catalyst. Let's check financial juice. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. 445, nothing crazy. Yeah, nothing too crazy. See what it wants to do. Really holding yesterday's New York VWAP. Currently down 300 on the day, including this trade here. Minor, just risking between 1 and 2 contracts, nothing major. Apple, the indices still holding some nice solid momentum there. MNQ's orders are still holding strong. We talked about that 26,000 level. Now it's like there's a huge block order up here, 26,100. So this 2-minute just started. I'm not gonna worry about that. All right, so we'll go ahead and take a screenshot of this so I can clear the charts. MES. Let's minimize that. All right, clear. So I stick to your bias. Good lesson there. Nah, stick to your plan. Okay. This is what I'll be looking for now. back into range play. Can't really do it. There's no handoff yet just because price didn't break below the bottom of the range. Still holding strong. That New York view up doesn't want to give up. Price is kind of in an uptrend in the 15 minutes. 15-minute chart. Still got 10 minutes on this candle. Pretty much just started. So do we get tagged here? Sitting, waiting. That Jack Johnson song stuck in my head. Mm-hmm. So the reason why I like this stop or place my stop here, place it below these levels. Here's a safe stop too, 772, but if price is gonna head down to here, I want to get into a handoff view up. Does that make sense? So like here, stop loss could have been here. But by then, price probably looks like this, right? And then I want to put on an anchor view up, a handoff view up here to get into this short to go down. Or this is a safe enough stop. I was hoping that, this, or I guess you got to watch your words. I'm not really hoping, right? It's just like I see yesterday's New York view up holding, or is a key level. And if it holds, it holds. Cool. I'm going to take that trade. How's this V or book map? There we go. Bookmap is kind of frozen on me. I'm in queue at least. There we go. Still got strong bullish orders. Add one more position here. Essentially back. How's MES? Oh, see, MES just popped right through that. No break in range possible. No entry possible, rather. Let's size up this position. Make sure we're not over risking, over leveraging. Yeah, 300. I think that's a good enough risk. I don't want to push it too much. Because if it pulls back, worst case scenario, I'll be down 500 on the day. That would suck, but it's manageable. Always manageable. Yeah, I'm not adding. We'll just leave it here. I'll make a note here. Okay, let this sucker go. Nice 2 minute close above the New York View app. Strong hold of yesterday's View app. We have 50 seconds before this 5 minute closes. Now, if this 5 minute closes below the New York View app, I might want to reconsider this position. I don't think that's going to happen, but the market can do whatever it wants to do. MES is bullish. MNQ is bullish. Bookmap is bullish. Like, I don't want to be bearish right now. Looks like we'll be getting a strong close. Even the 15 minute, we got 5 more minutes on this 15 minute candle. Be a nice close though. So there's that 5 minute close above the New York View up. I don't really care about it engulfing these two candles here. It's a good sign. But more importantly, I just want to make sure the bulls are in control. And seeing it, this here, they are in control. Just want to make sure I covered everything I was supposed to. Glenn and I would meet together on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we plan out things. That's like our planning days. That's our days where we meet with clients. So if you're interested, usually it's a Tuesday, Thursday thing. So if you're available on those days, we'd love to hop on a call with you. Talk about trading, talk about what we do, what we hope to achieve. I'm just checking the task real quick on our Google Drive. Yeah, live stream. What else we got to go over? Went over the trades. We could go over yesterday's trades. It's 5:11. Got like 50 more minutes. All right. So yesterday's trades. The 29th. So yesterday took this short handoff, easy trading compared to today. Very choppy. Boom, up, down, up, down, up, down. Opportunities to make money, yes, but you could also get chopped up. That's one thing that I did. Oh, one thing I want to go over. I thought I was having a bad January. It's a red January. I made mistakes, but with my back testing, I want to show you this. This is very important for your guys' own trading. I'm back testing exactly what I see in the markets with my strategies. And I'm going back in time, so it's January 30th. I went back in time up to, I think, the 26th. Not finished just yet, but I'm down $6,000 on my back testing account. And that's just the system, right? I only have a 51% win rate, but that doesn't mean I'm going to be profitable all the time, So it's good to know that January was a red month for me. And that's just the way the strategy works. Every strategy will have its red moments, its drawdowns. But other than that, just wanted to reiterate how important it is to backtest, build that confidence in your own edge. So this is how my January outlook is looking. Basically double what my backtesting is. Many mistakes. I could have performed better as well as far as execution wise and risk management savings. So I could have actually probably done better than my back testing, which is what you want to do. And this is why you back test, so that you get better at live trading. I'll go back to these notes here. Leave that. We were going over yesterday's notes. That's what we were doing. No, that was here 29th. So it was a good day yesterday. Easy day with momentum. I think I talked about getting back into getting back into the trade. Yeah, so this is MES, and then M&Q was the moneymaker. I closed MES here due to orders, and I was extremely tired yesterday. I didn't get my workout in. I don't know. I slept really well though. Really, really well. Maybe that's why. So here we go. This is the hand up. This is the much more cleaner. Crazy volatility, just one contract. I didn't want to be greedy. I'm not greedy. I said that, but although I didn't want to be greedy yesterday and try to get back in the trade, I wanted to call it at 5 a.m. So I did, walked off the charts with a W. But let's go back. I'm curious how price actually played out. So if we go yesterday, there we go. Here should be, oh, that's the 27th. Okay, righty. Yep. So we started the market very bearish. Just gonna monitor it on one screen here. MQ. All right, cool. So I have my iPad again. I'm monitoring it on my right side here. So this is the 5 minute. Let's go down to the 2 minute here. So I mentioned this is the time I got off the charts. Got off charts here. We had a handoff that we got into. Change that to yellow. Went short here. Got out somewhere around here at these levels. So by this time, I'm walking away from the charts. Missed out on this entry. I don't really call it missed out because, again, like I wasn't at the charts. So I didn't miss anything. I just wasn't at the charts. Handoff continues on. We could adjust the handoff too since we got a new handoff. Handoff touches it. I'm going to leave both on so you guys can see. Handoff touches here and continues on downward. This is like more so bookmap. You're going to have to take a look at bookmap or some type of order block flow, see where prices going to level out. Finally, I'm going to remove that first view up. That second one, we have boom. That's one. Boom, two. This is a squeeze play. Want to be tight with squeeze plays as far as stop loss goes, just because it's a counter trend trade. So this is a squeeze trade right here. That was possible at 7 o'clock. Target the New York VWAP. Get a nice win there. Easy win. It's not a back into range play yet here. You're still below yesterday's VWAP and you're still below bottom of the range. But we see that price just continues to go up until it doesn't even go up back into the range. By that time, the market's done. So the time back into the range plays out. It's nearly, you get, I think at 11:30s or 11. Seems like 11. I'll be back real quick. Oh my goodness. Was I unmuted? I was muted. Okay. I was muted. Basically, I was saying we had a good stream. Squeeze worked. Showed you guys that strategy. It's profitable, but I rarely take those. As far as this trade, I'm just gonna let it play out. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much sums it up. I used a lot of words to say all that, but that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I think I'm not sharing screen anymore either. Okay. Oh no, I am. All right. Okay, y'all. I'll be in Discord. I'll be sharing this trade in Discord as well. So yeah, take it easy. Aloha. Happy Friday. Let's go. Have a great day. Shoot.